Hello students, here we have a question from jeeadvance 2022 which says let L1, L2, L3 etc. be the consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression with common difference D1 and W1, W2, W3 etc. be the consecutive terms of another arithmetic progression with common difference D2 where D1 into D2 is 10. For each I as 1 to 3, Ri be a rectangle with length Li and width Wi and area Ai. If A51 minus A50 is 1000, then what is the value of A100 minus A90? So we start by putting the values of A51 and A50, which is L1 plus 50 D1 into W1 plus 50 D2 minus L1 plus 49 D1 into W1 plus 49 D2. On opening the brackets, we can see we get the results like this. And now we can cancel out a few terms. You see L1, W1 gets cancelled out. And these terms also get subtracted so that you get finally L1, D2 plus D1, W1. That is all is left after taking the difference. And then we have 50 square minus 49 square times D1, D2. Now we know the value of D1, D2. We'll put it here. Now L1, D2 plus D1, W1 is unknown. Let us keep it like that. Now this can be factorized as A minus B, A plus B, so that you get the answer fast. D1, D2 is 10. So you get the result in the form as shown here. This plus 990. But the value of A51 minus A50 is given to us as 1000. So we can write L1, D2 plus D1, W1 is equal to 10. So let us use this result in calculating what is asked in the question. Question asks for A100 minus A90. Once again, we use the terms of the AP to write their values like these. So these are the values of the terms, the areas, because they are terms of AP. And now we can open the brackets once again here to see what do we get. So we get terms like these as earlier, and now we can again subtract to get some terms cancelled, and the rest gives you 10 times L1 D2 plus D1 W1 plus 99 square minus 89 square into D1 D2. D1 D2 we already know, and L1 D2 plus D1 W1 also we have calculated as 10. So putting all these values here, you can simplify finally to get the answer as shown here. It will be equal to 100 plus 18,800. That gets you 18,900, which is the final answer for this question.